Summer vacation. Summer vacation is my favorite time of year as it gives me a chance to relax and explore new things. This summer I visited my active village, which is quite a distance from the city. It's a 5-hour journey by train. My grandparents stay there and my grandfather take care of the field and produce variety of crops. My cousin visited our grandparents too during their summer vacation. Our grandmother prepared delicious and mouth-watering dishes for us, and we relished every bite of the food. I spent most of time visiting fields with my grandfather and learning from him about crops and the season they produced. I also played a lot of with my village friends. It was routine every night to listen to a story from my grandmother and sing to sleep. I had a wonderful time spending some priceless moments with my grandparents. I feel blessed to have such charming and loving family with whom I enjoyed my summer vacation. Truly, thank you.